Welcome back. We got Debbie, and she's going to show us another awesome juice. That what do you have for us?
This juice is mainly geared around weight loss. Juicing is really good for weight loss in that it's a natural appetite suppressant. It helps curb cravings. A lot of times when people just go on a regular food diet, they will have sugar cravings, chocolate cake cravings, all that kind of stuff. Live food juicing has enough sugars in it that you actually won't go through those withdrawals of sugar
really?
and stuff. Yeah.
Wonderful.
So this is full of high vitamins. It's going to really suppress your appetite. If you drink, you should really, for maximum weight loss, go on a 3-day fast with juicing. A lot of people will go longer than that, but if you can't, if you drink like 8 ounces of juice half an hour before every meal, you'll probably consume half of the amount of food that you normally would.
That'd be an important tip.
Yes. So this is carrots, celery, apples, beets, and cucumbers. It's just a good supply of different nutrients in here. I always Google and look up different recipes, but then I just kind of go by what looks prettiest in the grocery store. And you'll kind of learn what you like and what you don't like. If you're juicing something that you don't like, you're not going to juice it.
Exactly, you're not going to drink it.
No matter how healthy it is, you might as well go for something that you like and appreciate.
You got it?
Yeah, it's a 3-man job.
It's a 3-man job, yeah, exactly. Juicing is a tough business.
And it's beautiful.
Yeah, I always love it when you add the beet into it.
Yeah, I love the color and the flavor.
Really good.
Just watch out for the beet mustache.
Exactly. So, and that's actually a good point that you made, is that I mean, like animals, they're attracted to things in nature that is healthy and beneficial for them. So if they're dealing with a health issue, then they're attracted to a certain plant. So
exactly.
If you do the same when you go to the grocery store, and whatever you're attracted to, that would probably be something that you're missing. So.
And one thing to remember with juicing, when you're doing fruits, do them early in the morning so you don't have the sugars convert to fat while you sleep.
Oh, excellent. So thank you very much, Debbie.
Thank you.
So after this, we'll be right back.